customer called us in this morning because this upright frame has been damaged at about 12 inches down. Bent pretty bad, and it's not safe to be loaded. So we're going to repair this upright with a rack repair kit. It's a 24-inch high repair kit. You could see we have done this one, repaired it prior to today, and it's working very well. As you can see, we've also repaired these on the ends, but after we did, we installed our rack end protection kits that are keeping them safe now. So if you don't want to repair your uprights, the best thing to do is install our pallet rack protector post protectors in front of the upright, and on the ends of the aisles use the rack end protection kits. You can see we've got them all the way down the line in this warehouse.